Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 169 power x minus 143 power x is equals to 121 power x. And we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to take all the terms together. So I'm going to divide by 121 power x, both sides. So 121 power x divided by 121 power x divided by 121 power x. So with that, we eliminate our right hand side and we can write it as 169 divided by 121 whole power x. Similarly, 143 divided by 121 whole power x is equals to 1. Now we know that 169 is 13 times 13, so it is a square of 13, and 121 is a square of 11. So we can write it as 13 by 11 whole square and their square x power x minus 143 and 121 we can reduce it by dividing by 11. So if we'll divide 143 by 11, we get 13. And if we divide 121 by 11, we get 11. Power x is equals to 1. So according to exponent rule, that is x power m power n is equals to x power n power m. So we can write it as 13 power 11 power whole power x whole square is minus 13 by 11 power x is equals to 1. Now we'll take a substitution. So let substitute 13 by 11 power x is equals to a. So we can write it as a square minus a. We take this positive 1 to this side, this becomes minus 1 is equals to 0. Now it's look like in quadratic equation, so we are going to solve with the help of quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is coefficient of a square, that is 1, b is coefficient of a, that is minus 1, and c is the constant, that is minus 1. So we are going to put the values. The partition to solve. Now we can write and put the value x is equals to minus b, so minus 1 plus minus under root b square is minus 1 square minus 4 times a 1 and c is minus 1 divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So minus is plus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 1 is plus 4 divided by 2. So 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. So we have two values, two cases. Case 1, when 1 plus under root 5 by 2, and case second, one minus under root 5 by 2. So as we know that we take a substitution. So in place of a, we can write it as 13 by 11 whole power x is equals to 1 plus under root 5 by 2. And here 13 by 11 whole power x is equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2. So as we know that root 5 value is larger than 1. So this gives us negative answer and x is in the terms of square. So we will reject this answer, the negative value. So we are going to solve this positive value. To solve this, I am taking log both sides. So according to log rule, log m power n is equals to n log m. We can write it as x log 13 by 11 is equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now we can take base, common base, 13 by 11. So we know that if log 13 by 11 and 13 by 11 both have same base, so we can consider it as 1. So x is equals to log base 13 by 11, 1 plus under root 5 by 2. So x is equals to log 1 plus under root 5 by 2 divided by, we can write it as log 13 by 11. So the value of x will be similar to 2.88057. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.